Okay, I'm going to talk about the free crypto I just earned, and I want to discuss why I feel you should open up an IRS.gov account if you do your own taxes, and the tax refund information that I dug a little deeper because I listened to my audience. Someone mentioned I should call, and I'm going to share that information with you right now. First, let me show you that I earned two different types of free crypto today. Chili's CHZ, it's a blockchain for sports and entertainment. I earned $3 worth of this crypto, and I might buy some now. I'll see how much they're going for. I'll see when it updates on my portfolio. And I also earned Clover Finance, a platform for creating fast, secure dApps. And I believe that's decentralized applications. I earned $3 worth of that. I wanted to share that with you. And Fetch.ai last week. It's a protocol for automating tasks with artificial intelligence. So I earned $6 worth of free crypto today. I read some information, I answered a few questions, and I earned free crypto. It's a part of your education, and it's a wise investment for your future, especially if you could get it for free. Let's talk about TurboTax. I use TurboTax to do my taxes. I followed a subscriber's suggestion about calling, but now I'm not going to call after doing this research because I got the answer I was looking for. I have to wait. It's just as simple as that. So I want you to know, over here I tap here. Where's my refund tool, which opens here? It's telling me that my tax refund is still being processed. Okay. So I opened up an IRS.gov account, which I didn't have before. And since I'm going to be using, and I feel I will be using, continue to use TurboTax to do my taxes online, I felt that I should open an IRS.gov account because they give you a lot of information. Okay, if you're still waiting for your tax return, I'm going to read this paragraph to you, and I hope it helps you understand why you haven't received yours yet. This says, filed an individual tax return. I filed at 10/40. Okay? The IRS is opening mail within normal time frames, and all paper and electronic individual returns received prior to April 2021 have been processed if the return had no errors or did not require further review. I did mine on May. It was accepted on May 8th. My federal return was accepted by the IRS on May 8th. So I didn't make that cutoff point. That answered my question right there. I waited too long, but it's coming. As of September 4th, 2021, we had 8.5 million unprocessed individual returns. Unprocessed individual returns include tax year 2020 returns with errors and those returns requiring special handling, such as those that require correction to the recovery rebate credit amount or validation of 2019 income used to figure the earned income tax credit and additional child tax credit. Okay. Yes, I need more time. It says right here, when I went read less, I came back here. Your 2020 tax refund is not processed. I already knew that from this refund status. The due date has passed. I know. I didn't make the cut by the end of April. If you're already filed, because they did extend it, but I made sure I submitted my tax information before the extended cutoff date. Just so you know that, guys. If you've already filed, processing usually takes 21 days, electronic returns, or 6 weeks, paper returns. Well, I already know I didn't make the cutoff. I get it. Yes. 2020 Economic Impact Payment Information. Recovery Rebate Credit. Right here. And when I did my taxes on TurboTax, they said that's correct. They asked me how much I received. So I told them the first economic payment was $1,200. The second was $600, and then I received $1,400. I believe that's how it worked, yes. Well, I remember being told, you are correct. That matches what we have on our end when I did TurboTax. So guys, if you didn't make the cutoff point of the end of April, it's going to take longer for us to receive our tax refunds. This work does not require us to correspond with taxpayers, but does require special handling by an IRS employee. So, in these instances, it is taking the IRS more than 21 days to issue any related refund, and in some cases, this work could take up to 90 to 120 days. Well, if you did mine in May, then we got June, July, August, September, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm hoping to have mine by the end of September after reading this and after digging deep and doing the research. I was going to follow the suggestion of my subscriber. However, after doing all this research and reading and opening up an IRS.gov website account, because if I continue to do my own taxes, I feel that's a good suggestion because you can get a lot of information from it. It says the IRS is having to correct significantly more errors on tax returns than in previous years. I'm sure they are. The IRS has reduced the number of returns requiring special handling from an historical high of 9.8 million on May 1st, 2021 to the current level of 780,000 individual returns as of September 4th, 2021. Holy cow. If a correction is made to any RRC, EITC, or ACTC, I guess that's those recovery rebate credit things, all the stuff that went down that's involved, claimed on the return, the IRS will send taxpayers an explanation. I never received a notice in the mail, so that makes me in the clear. I never received any explanation from the IRS, so I'm not worried. After reading this and after doing the research, I know it's on its way. And plus they already say many times over, they accepted it. It was accepted. On May 8th, it was accepted. I could go more deeper, but I had to close some of the tabs up. Taxpayers are encouraged to continue to check, where's my refund? And when you click it, that's where it brings you to. It's IRS.gov/refunds. You know, https:// www. Yep, IRS.gov/refunds. And you can check your stuff there, guys. You just click on check my refund status. Okay? What else to tell you? So I learned a lot. I'm happy I did it. And they are working on it. They have outsourced some of the work because they can't keep up with it. They're so far behind. But it is peace of mind that I took the time. I gained more of an education about taxes that I never knew about. I did a lot of reading. I did a lot of studying. And I got the answers to the questions that I had. And guys, if you didn't make the cutoff point of the end of April, they're working on it. They have up to 120 days. And I'm hoping by the end of September, I receive my tax refund of $3,031 with interest, I would assume. And remember, visit the link in the description below to join Coinbase if you'd like to start earning some free crypto and get your hands, start learning about crypto. I happen to like Coinbase. I know the fees are, people talk about the fees. However, you got to start someplace. And I'm very grateful for Coinbase. I'll see you in the next video clip. And good luck, everyone. Hang in there. Bye, guys.